If the eye of the heart is open, in each atom there will be 100 secrets. Let love lead your soul. Make it a place to retire to. A kind of monastery cave. A retreat for the deepest core of your being. The sea will be the sea whatever the drop's philosophy. The fruit of love's great tree is poverty. Whoever knows this knows humility. When first you enter wisdom's sea, beware a wave of indecision floods you there. A man whose eyes love opens risks his soul. His dancing breaks beyond the mind's control. Were you indeed not blinded by the curse of self-exile? That still grows worse and worse. Yourselves would know that. Though you see him not, he is with you this moment, on this spot. A thousand for his love expired each day. And those who saw his face, in blank dismay would rave and grieve and mourn their lives away. To die for love of that bewitching sight was worth 100 lives without his light. None could survive his absence patiently. None could endure this king's proximity. How strange it was that man could neither brook the presence nor the absence of his look. This was no friendship. To forsake your friend, to promise your support and at the end abandon him, this was sheer treachery. Friend follows friend to hell, and blasphemy. When sorrow comes, one's true friends are found. In times of joy 10,000 gather round. The home we seek is in eternity. The truth we seek is like a shoreless sea, of which your paradise is but a drop. This ocean can be yours. Why should you stop, beguiled by dreams of evanescent dew? The secrets of the sun are yours, but you content yourself with motes trapped in its beams. Turn to what truly lives. Reject what seems. Which matters more, the body or the soul? Behold, desire and journey to the whole.